Inside RealMan's new Beijing Robotics training center, 108 robots, AI data and real-world testing. RealMan Robotics has just opened a brand new humanoid robotics data training center in Beijing, and it's no small step. At 3,000 square meters, the hub brings together research and development, scenario testing, operator training and a collaboration all under one roof. On Open Day, RealMan introduced the RealBot, embodied intelligence open platform built for large-scale data acquisitions. The centre is split into a training zone and an application zone, and already home to 108 robots of all shapes and sizes. Dual-arm manipulators, wheeled semi-humanoids, drone arms, and even four-legged robots. Quite the roll call. To make training realistic, the team has constructed 10 real-world environments, elderly care facilities, rehabilitation wards and assembly lines, smart catering spaces and more. These generate over 1 million high-quality data points each year, the fuel for building more capable AI models. Eric Zhang, who heads up the centre, explains that robotics still face three big roadblocks: adapting across different scenarios, bridging the gap between simulation and reality, and standardizing data for faster iteration. The new hub tackles these with a full pipeline, from collecting data, so training, to deploying robots in the field. Founded in 2018, RealMan has already built robots for retail, food services, healthcare, aerospace, education, and industrial use. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.